Hey, meteorology types. It's me, Dan, aka smAsho, coming back from the nexus of the galaxy here by Sagittarius A star. That blue dot there, we've decided to go into hiding near the galactic core. What's a bunker if it's not got a deep well where you can avoid the deep hell that you have perhaps been immersed into? First thing we're doing is looking at the surface winds of the eastern portion of the planet. Shout out to all of our viewers from this side of the world. Congratulations on realizing our channel exists. Please leave a comment. Tell your friends and foes about the content. And then press share so that Mark Zuckerberg is able to see our videos on his Facebook feed. Couple of systems here in the northern hemisphere. This one south of Japan, southwest of Japan. And this one east of the Kamchatka Peninsula in the distant Aleutian Islands. And let's take a look at the jet streams. Here are the jets of the eastern world. Blowing backwards over the eastern Indian Ocean there. Let's take a look at the west. Here are the jets of the western world. Extreme meridional jet stream flow once again showing up in the northern hemisphere. As we've got broken up jet streams, eddies that are moving due north and due south. An anticyclone in the North Atlantic. You see the clockwise rotation. Did you know Jupiter's Great Red Spot is an anticyclone and not a, quote, storm, end quote? It's true, folks. Anyway, here are the surface winds of this portion of the planet. And we've got some relevant things happening. Massive flooding underway around there. Less than optimal situation. And what really didn't help things was the sea surface temperature. Lots of hot water. It's actually cooled down. And I think the storm has actually cooled down the Gulf in that area. It was much warmer just 2 days ago. So that's actually a benefit that should reduce convective forces a little bit. Reducing evaporation makes storms weaker. Before we continue on, that's your weather.gov map. I just want to check the life of the stream here. This video was originally streamed to Twitch at twitch.tv/smashamash, the main source of live streams at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I got some warnings at northern Lake Michigan here. Special marine warnings there. Not sure what those are, but if your county's lit up, head to weather.gov and click on your county and see what it's all about. More flooding happening down here and tropical storm warnings and so on the Gulf Coast. We'll get to it. Very strong band of lightning here showing up on the NASA GOES Lightning Mapper out here in the North Atlantic. Pretty interesting. And here is your real-time lightning map. Do we have terrestrial lightning in the U.S.? Well, I want to know, and I'm at lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzertung.org. We've got some thunderstorms here around North Lake Michigan, indeed. Hey, Beaver Island. There's thunder rolling in. Yowzers. It's a severe thunderstorm in northern Lake Michigan. Beaver Island right there near the U.S.-Canadian border. Must be an interesting place. I think I'll have to add that to my bucket list. Next, looking at windy.com. And check it out, folks. It's so hot that it's cold, folks. It's so hot that it's cold. Check it out. BC's already got some snow. Did it ever even melt? I don't know. Anyway, we're going to look at pressure. Forget about all that snow there, all that snow that, 5 winters with historic amounts of snowfall in the northern hemisphere. Forget all about that there. That's totally irrelevant. What you got to worry about is whatever FAUCI says, right? Worry about what FAUCI says. Do whatever Dr. FAUCI says, no matter how many times he lies. Anyway, these are your pressure maps. Massive anticyclone here in the southern Atlantic Ocean, interestingly enough. Hey, check it out. The Drake Passage featuring a low pressure on one side and a high pressure on the other side, which is going to force water this way through the Drake Passage on a massive scale. What are the implications? I don't know. Anyway, we're going to advance this pressure map here to show you where this low is headed. According to the European forecast, so we'll zoom in here. Here's your pressure forecast for this low. Again, it's the Euro forecast, and it looks like it's moving east-northeast here, right into Louisiana. Here's where we expect things, according to the European forecast, to be at 1 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. That's 12 noon local time. Another powerful low right over the middle of Louisiana. Less than optimal. We hope things return to normal soon there. If you're only viewing the videos on BitChute, make sure you go subscribe over on YouTube. You're missing our space weather videos. If you're viewing on YouTube only, you've probably missed our BitChute exclusive, where we titled it, Never Forget to Demand Accountability. As you're living in a banana republic, banana republics, by the way, if you weren't aware, banana republics are characterized by two justice systems, an all-encompassing, overreaching, bloated, and corrupt government, and, election fraud, stuff like that. Yeah. Have you heard about California recently? Yeah, it's a lovely place. It's a nice place to not visit and not live at, California. And this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to all of our followers over there. Look for more content coming soon at twitch.tv/smashamash. And again, if you're only viewing the videos on BitChute or on Twitch, go join us on YouTube. You're missing like 90% of the content because YouTube is such a feature-rich platform. It's also a censorship-rich platform, which is why there are all kinds of mysteries associated with our channel. We won't get into it. Make sure you check our playlists for lots of content besides this. Thanks to our patrons. Please transfer your funding of us to smashamash.com/smashteam by October 1st. And here's a tidbit into what the Smash Team is. It's all kinds of exclusive content nobody else gets to see, all kinds of analysis and visual stuff, and all kinds of perks to be a member of the Smash Team. So head to smashamash.com. You'll find a link there to the Smash Team. There's a bronze level, a silver level, and a gold level membership. smashamash.com/Smash Team. Welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Don't forget to visit our homepage. Click our merch link. It'll send you to this fantastic merch page here. And thanks to everybody who's been picking up products. They are spectacular. Congratulations, your vaccination status is none of my business. Universum liberate. The Smash Team. Today's featured product is Mansa. Make America Not Suck Again. This nonpartisan shirt in purple. Smash staff and I each have a version of this. Mansa, Make America Not Suck Again. Because it's been sucking pretty pathetically over the past 2 years. Here's your next rad water vapor radar map. And we're going to stay focused here on the Gulf Coast. So here's your weather.gov radar. It's radar.weather.gov. And we've zoomed in because of the catastrophic flooding that's once again striking the Gulf Coast. Ouch. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer, and we'll zoom out to the nationwide map in a minute. Here's what's going on in the water. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And here's what's going on in the water vapor. Again, the video was streamed live to Twitch. And again, look for more live content coming soon. And let's switch back here to the overall maps. Just give me a quick minute to bring these up. And we'll zoom out to the nation scale. So there you can see these strong storms moving into Canada here across the Great Lakes. Also some storms moving across North Dakota, about to strike Minneapolis, Iowa, and Missouri. There's the cloud layer, the 3.9 nanometer radiation map. And here's the water vapor. There's your recap. Hopefully that helped you understand something to do with meteorology today. And you can expect this system to remain in this area as we've got a high-pressure ridge constraining that moisture with dry, massive air. In any case, thanks for tuning into our content. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network. Least busted. Name it news.